Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at part number 72-51. This is your 7-leaf, 2-inch wide slipper spring. Let's check it out. All right, this is part number 72-51. This is your 7-leaf heavy-duty slipper spring for your 8,000 pound axles or your 7,000 pound axles. It's rated for 4,000 pounds. It has this nice rubber bushing right here in the spring. Instead of those nylon bushings, it has this nice heavy-duty rubber bushings. It takes the 9/16 bolt like TPU 916-312, rated for 4,000 pounds per spring. And from the end of the hook to the center of the eye, it's 26 5/8, 2-inch wide, as you can see. And the measurement from center of eye hole to the stud right here is going to be 11 inches from the center of eye to the stud right here. And then from center stud to the back right here, it's going to be 15.5 inches, as you can see. Real heavy duty leaf spring. So this spring right here is really great, especially if you're upgrading from 7,000 pound axles to 8,000 pound axles, because most 7,000 pound axles have the 27 inch or 26 5/8 inch long leaf springs on them. And when you go up to 8,000 pounds, typically it's a 29.5 inch long spring, so you'd have to cut your hangers off and re-weld all new ones. But with this spring right here, this allows you to actually just drop your 7K axles and put your 8K axles up without having to cut the hangers and re-weld new ones in place, since it is the same length as the 5-leaf slipper spring like TPU-232. So that's what's really good about this spring right here, is that it makes it really easy to upgrade from 7Ks to 8Ks with this spring without having to modify anything on your trailer. Simply use these springs with the 8K axles and drop your 7K axles out, put the 72-51 springs on the 8K axles, and then put that baby right up in place and get on the road. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.